So today I want to talk about what you need to do to be successful in this course. So there's a welcome letter for GD 1500. I expect everyone to read through that. And then here's our syllabi. One of the things that you're going to need to be successful in this particular course, which is vector design, it's GD 1500, is you will need to have a Adobe Creative Cloud membership on your computer. Everything that you need to know is explained right here. If you click on the link, it will take you directly to Adobe. And here it'll tell you how much it costs for students, and you would buy that program. What you will get with that program are the following. You will get Photoshop, Illustrator, Acrobat, InDesign, Camera Raw, Lightroom, Premiere Pro, Premiere Rush, After Effects, Bridge, Light Classic, Dreamweaver, Animate, Character Animator, Audition, Dimension, Media Encoder, XD, InCopy, and UXP developing tools. There's other apps that you can try in here, but in addition to all those apps, you also will get a whole series of tutorials. Like if I click over here by any of these, there should be a little like thing that like pops up. And if I click over here to tutorials, it takes me right to the tutorial page. And there's all kinds of tutorials that I can look at for any of the programs. So if I want to get into InDesign, how to create a business card, get started with InDesign, add and transform graphics, and so on. So these are things that are only available to you as a student with a student subscription. Okay, so let's get back into our class. I hope, let's get back into Blackboard. And then the next thing that I want to talk about is, let me just open that up. I'm going to go to content. So that's on, and so we're going to go, that's all in Tools for Success. That also has my Zoom room if you do need to get in touch with me. This course is not virtual. This is a fully online class now. And that means that you will be working at your own pace. So if you do have some problems and you want to get in touch with me, there's going to be a tutor. You can go to the ARC and you can learn things through the tutor. Also, I have videos every step of the way as to how we're going to do things. So if we go into week 1 through 2, we are going to be talking about branding. The learning objectives are here. Here we can see the interface, what we're going to learn, and also what's due. So you will be working on your monograms. And here's a beginning video talking about how to make the monograms, how to use Illustrator. This is a very good video on the difference between vector and raster, how to add artboards and save your monogram. And then we have a whole bunch of videos in here about Illustrator. So definitely take your time, go through all these before you get in here. Once you get into the monograms and glyphs, there's our rubric. Here's a click guide that goes directly to this. Here's our rough monogram Dropbox, our critique, final monogram, and just having fun with Illustrator. So that's what you're going to be working on the very first week. Make sure that you take the time to go through all the necessary videos and all the things that are important to you so that you will do a great job in this class.